Anybody who suffered a traumatic brain injury needs somebody who's been down that road before. A lawyer who knows how to handle traumatic brain injury knows how to communicate it to the insurance company and to a jury. If you get a lawyer who has never handled a traumatic brain injury case before, they won't even know what they're missing. It's important to be with somebody who's been there, done that. Finkelstein and Partners is uniquely equipped to handle traumatic brain injury cases because we have many registered nurses who are also attorneys on staff who have handled in their medical career traumatic brain injuries. In addition, we are up to date and know the most current testing available to help diagnose traumatic brain injury cases. And lastly, we know what demonstrative evidence is needed to communicate this injury to clients. In order to fully communicate what's happened to somebody who's sustained a traumatic brain injury, we have to know what their life was like before. We spend hours with our client and, more importantly, their family members gathering photos, important family events, weddings, birthdays, birth of children, and getting really the underlying story of who this person was before and contrasting it with who they are now. And oftentimes, although they look the same and they dress the same, it's not the same person. They're a shell of the person they were before. And that hard work and labor is what is needed to be able to fully communicate what a traumatic brain injury effect is on a person. Not only are we a continuing legal education provider related to the legal field, we send our lawyers to medical courses. And in sending our lawyers to medical courses, they stay right up to date as to all the medical technologies. We have sent to our lawyers to medical school classes to get the most recent technology in diagnosing traumatic brain injuries.